So better option is where you're on top of it. Yeah. When you tighten it down.
Anyway, you go ahead and keep this one go, bit of both, see what you can do as far as seeing this look like and
That would be good.
see, the outside, if you gotta put the actually together. Yeah.
Here.
No, because we're getting our pictures taken. I need my hat. Yep. Later.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
There's your pair. So, okay, so here we are, going up.
Yours probably
Yep, perfect. But look ahead of us in our land track. See that pair up there? Uh-oh, pair tells us we gotta reach in there and split that pair. Hold up, you got a pair. So make one move. Follow me right here. Make one move. Get your pair as you go.
I mean, I've had it before, but a couple of weeks ago I started. Okay, so at the top, you're over two.
Okay, and now we followed it up on the bottom side, we split our pair,
Look and see
right?
your pairs.
Okay, so, yep, so now we've got to cross over and come down, right? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, you're crossing over it, coming down, yes, but look ahead in your traffic. What do you see? Clear ahead in your lane. Here's your lane, look way ahead, what do you see? So you're gonna have to come, now you're gonna follow it down. You're going under, and you're gonna go over. This one tells us, go over, but, yeah, but no, go over that pair. See, our string tells us, okay, I'm following it up, here I go. I'm gonna come over, and I'm looking in it, and I'm gonna cross over it now. And it's going over, but there's a pair, so it says, go over and split that. Because I went over, so go over and split that. But look way ahead, there's another pair. Now go under and pick it up. So you gotta go over and under. Over two under. You're gonna go over two under.
Yeah, you split both of them. There's two pairs there, but you know, you gotta over, split this pair, and under, split that. Now you got it.
That makes sense?
Remember?
Yeah.
It's over two, under two.
Yep, it tells us go over. That, our string that we're pulling down below now tells us go over, so we go over. 1, 2, under. See it? There. There. Over 2, under 2. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Yep, exactly. Split those pairs as we come through. We're making them split as we come through. And at the bottom, we're gonna cross over.